Hey guys, Jim from Import Image Racing and welcome back to the channel. On this week's video, we're having a look at the Noble DMK Style Lip Kit for your 2022 to present Subaru WRX. Ooh, spicy. That's right, kiddos, the boys and girls over at Noble have blessed us with another stellar lip kit for our 2022 to present WRX. What you see on the table in front of me is the DMK Style Modular Lip Kit in gloss black. So what makes it modular, you might ask? Its 3-piece front lip and 2-piece side skirt design allows this kit to be broken down into smaller pieces. Those pieces can be packed into smaller boxes and shipped to your door at a more cost-effective price with a much better efficiency. Combine that cost effectiveness and efficiency with a sleek yet aggressive design, topped off with the beauty of a high-gloss piano black finish, and you have a look that's sure to turn heads. Construction is a durable ABS plastic that comes ready to install out of the box with all provided hardware. The front lip, side skirts, and rear spats can be purchased separately or combined for that dreamy front lip kit you've always wanted. The best part is this kit is covered under Noble's limited lifetime warranty, which ensures the original purchaser a product that's covered from manufacturer's defects for the life of that product. For more information on that, be sure to click the link in the cards above or head over to importimageracing.com for all of the full details. So for thousands of parts just like this, plus tons more, be sure to hit up importimageracing.com for all the best deals on the web and in the world, and we'll catch you on the next one.